What's the meaning of anomie? Anomie. 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 Anomie.
Anomie refers to a state of normlessness or lack of social cohesion that occurs in a society or group. When individuals feel disconnected from the norms and values of their culture, they may experience a sense of purposelessness, hopelessness, and despair. This can lead to social disorganization, increased crime rates, and other forms of deviance as people try to find new ways to make sense of their lives. In short, anomie is a breakdown of social order that can have serious consequences for individuals and society as a whole.